Imagine you have just arrived at this stretch of the Orange River. You have the entire river to yourself. Today will make things easy. The fish are actively feeding in this area. Conditions are ideal. The river is slightly stained, giving you enough cover. The fish are feeding aggressively. Water conditions are stable. There are no major environmental factors affecting their feeding behavior. Where would you stand to target these fish? Take a moment and choose your answer before we continue. Yesterday, this spot produced fish all day. Today, everything has changed. River flow increased. Fish are no longer showing feeding behavior. Weather has become unstable, so the barometric pressure is changing, and fish has become cautious. Would you still stand there? Yesterday, this spot produced fish all day. Today, everything has changed. Would you still choose the same position? Or have the changing conditions changed where you would stand? Now, everything has changed. You're casting to the same feeding area that produced fish yesterday, but today you're getting no results. Have you ever considered that when conditions change, your presentation needs to change too? Yesterday, the fish were feeding aggressively. They were actively hunting bait fish and were willing to chase a lure. Under those conditions, it didn't matter too much whether you stood at A, B, C, D, or E. Every one of those positions could have produced a fish because the fish were prepared to move to intercept your lure. Today is different. The conditions have changed and the fish has changed with them. They are no longer willing to chase a fast-moving bait fish. Instead of expecting the fish to adapt to your presentation, you need to adapt your presentation to the fish. This is where your choice of position becomes critical. On a difficult day, my preferred positions are D and E. The reason is simple. Both positions are directly upstream of the feeding area. From there, I can retrieve the lure almost straight back towards me. That changes the presentation completely. The lure isn't being pulled across the current. It isn't swinging through the feeding zone. Very important. Instead, it stays under control, moves more naturally, and most importantly, I can slow the presentation down. When fish become less aggressive, slowing the presentation is often the difference between a fish following your lure and a fish committing to it. The lesson isn't that D or E is always the correct answer. The lesson is this, that changing conditions demand a change in presentation. And sometimes the easiest way to change your presentation is simply to change where you stand before you make your cast.